Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a delivery note in QuickBooks. So let's get started. First, log into your QuickBook account. Once logged in, head over to the dashboard, look for the New button in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with options to create documents like invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. Since QuickBooks Online doesn't have a dedicated delivery note template, you'll use the invoice option, which works perfectly for this purpose. When the invoice window opens, start by adding a customer. Select one from your list, or if it's a new customer, click Add New and enter their details such as name, email, and any other relevant information. Next, add the products or services being delivered. Under the product or service column, choose from your inventory. If the item isn't listed, click Add New and provide the description, sales price, and other details. Don't forget to enter the quantity and rate, as QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total. If applicable, apply taxes in the tax column. QuickBooks lets you manage and edit tax rates, so make sure everything aligns with your business requirements. Before finishing, you can add a custom message in the Message on Statement section. This is useful for including special instructions, delivery notes, or even a thank you message to your customer. Once all the details are correct, review everything carefully. Double-check the customer information, product details, quantities, taxes, and any notes. Accuracy here helps avoid costly mistakes. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save and Send. This will both save the invoice in QuickBooks and send a copy to your customer via email. The invoice serves as your delivery note while also keeping your records up to date. And that's it. You've successfully created a delivery note in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.